This is a certified pre-owned 2013 Ford F-150, powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a six-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. With Ford certified pre-owned vehicles, peace of mind comes standard. Featuring a 172-point inspection, 24-hour roadside assistance, vehicle history report, 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty coverage. The features include heated seats, heated rear seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, steering wheel controls, memory seats, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a navigation system. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, traction control, stability control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Chalmers Capital Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at Cerrillos Road, Santa Fe, New Mexico 87507.